Living a charmed life, the magic behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as enchanting as it sounds. Bear a charmed life. This expression is not only poetic but carries a deep meaning and history. Stay with us to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's unlock the magic behind these words together. Bear a charmed life refers to someone who seems to live under a constant lucky star, where misfortune and harm miraculously avoid them, no matter the dangers surrounding them. It's as if they have a protective charm that shields them from the usual troubles life throws our way. When you say someone bears a charmed life, you're essentially marveling at their continuous streak of good luck or their ability to emerge unscathed from risky situations. The phrase, bear a charmed life, comes from Shakespeare's play Macbeth. In Act 5, Scene 8, Macbeth says he leads a charmed life, which he believes protects him from harm. This historical context adds a layer of literary richness to the phrase, showing its long-standing use in English to depict invulnerability or extraordinary luck. Shakespeare's works have contributed many phrases to the English language, but this one particularly captures the imagination with its suggestion of magic and destiny. You can use bear a charmed life in various contexts, ranging from casual conversations to more formal discussions. It's perfect for situations where you're amazed by someone's luck or when discussing narrow escapes from danger. Here are a few examples. Despite all the risky adventures he undertakes, he seems to bear a charmed life. After surviving yet another car accident without a scratch, it's clear she bears a charmed life. This phrase is versatile and adds a touch of poetic flair to your language, making it a wonderful expression to have in your English toolkit. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, bear a charmed life, with us. It's a beautiful expression that brings a little bit of magic and wonder into our description of luck and fate. Remember, the beauty of learning English lies in discovering the stories and histories behind the phrases we use. Until next time, keep learning and may you all bear a charmed life in your English language journey. Goodbye for now.